Hello viewers, welcome to Extreme Telugu YouTube channel. Please do like our videos, share our videos with your friends, and don't forget to comment and let us know how helpful our videos for you. In the previous video, we have started solving exercise 1.1 from Knowing Our Numbers chapter, which is of grade 6 NCERT syllabus. In this video, we'll continue that. Okay, so in previous video, we have solved till question 2. Numerals from the number names. Now in this video we'll be writing number names for the numerals in both Indian system as well as in the international system. So let's get started with the third question. Third question says insert commas suitably and write the number names according to Indian system of numeration. So the first thing we have to do is put the commas properly. Now Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration have different types of different places for the commas. Now as I've discussed in the previous video, Indian system have only 2 place values for each period except the ones period. So we have 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 comma like that. But coming to the international system, it has 3 place values for each period. So we'll be doing it as 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So every 3 digits will be giving a comma. Like after every period, completing after every place value period, we'll be putting a comma. So the first one is Indian system. According to the Indian system, we are going to write it. The first number in that's a big number. We have 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 6, 2. Now giving the commas. Whenever we give commas, we have to start it from right side of the number, not from here. We have to start it from here. So I'll count 1, 2, 3. Since it is Indian system, I'm giving it in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 method. So 1, 2, 3. Here 1 comma, 1, 2 and 1, 2. So I have a crores place here. So I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So I write it as 8 crore 75 lakh 95,000 762. This is how we write for the number name in Indian system. Now you may get a doubt that why don't we put crores, lakhs, thousands like that? It's not mandatory. It's not mandatory to put crores because it is 8. Numeral, like it is plural, more than 1, I can say. So I can't say that. You should write it as a crores and all. You can simply write as crore, lakh, thousand. And you may also have a doubt that since we have 162, I haven't written as 162. If you want to add and over there, you can write it. No objection at all. If you want to avoid it, no problem. It doesn't change it much. What I want to say is that. So the second number we have is 8546283. 8546283. Now again giving the commas 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So we write it as 85 lakh 46,283. Now here I am mentioning and. So I am showing you 2 ways of writing this one. Right? The next one, the third one here is, I get to see a lot of 9s and 0s over here. I have 999, 000 and 46. So I give my commas 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So again I have a crore place value here. So I go with 9 crore 99 lakh complete thousands place I don't have. So I don't mention it as 0,000 because I have zeros. I avoid writing thousands place value here, and I don't have hundreds place value also. So directly I'll write 9 crore 99 lakh 46. 9 crore 99 lakh and 46. If you want to add up, you can simply write and 46 to avoid the confusion. If you have much clarity about the things, no need to write and. If you have a little bit doubt, kind of, add and. Now D we have 984 32701. 32701. So again giving commas. So I have 9 crore. See, I'm giving commas here also. 84,000. 84 lakh 32,000 701. So here ends our third bit where expressing numbers in Indian number of Indian system of numeration. Then we go for fourth and last bit in exercise 1.1. Now we solve fourth and last bit in exercise 1.1, which is writing numbers in international system of numeration. Okay, we're going to write number names. So here the question is given like insert commas suitably and write the number names according to international system of numeration. So where we have to give commas in international system and write the numbers as in similar way. So I have the first one 789210992. So international system of numeration have three numbers in each period. So I give it as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, done. So I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million and 10 million. So I write it as 78 million 900 21,000 and 90. This is how we write number name in international system of numeration. Let's see the second one in this. Second number we have 7452283. 7452283. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we write it as 7 million 400 52,000 283. Okay, then we have two more to write. Let's see them. So the next number I have 99985 102. So I write it as, first I give the commas 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So I have 99 million 900 85,000. Finally, 102. Such a big number name, right? And the last and final one we have. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and last left out 1, 2. So we write it as 48 million. So we don't have thousands, 100,000s place value here. We have 0. So we go for 49. 49,831. So this is how we write. This is how we write number names in International System. Hope all these videos are helpful for you. Please don't forget to comment and let us know how helpful our videos for you. And don't forget to like our video, share our video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe Extreme Telugu YouTube channel. Thank you.